Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Full Circle. Most of us are hearing about the hue and cry in the Adani Group case these days. Well, being a technical analyst, I will not go into the detail of the fundamental analysis. In fact, we will try to find out the opportunities based on the charts instead. On that note, the stock that I have selected for today's analysis is Adani Enterprises. So without further ado, let's get into the stock analysis. So let's start our analysis from here. So let me just get the pen here first of all. So 4,000 level is the most important and a very critical level for Adani Enterprises because this is the level from where the prices have started to fall down. If you can see in this daily time frame, the moving averages are also aligned. Most probably this 20 and 50 MA will soon catch up with the 200 MA, and that would make it a perfect case of a stock which is in a downfall. On the downside, we have a 1500 level here, which is a good support at the moment for this stock. And in my opinion, the stock should hold this level going forward. If we create a new buying here, then 1350 to 1300 would be a place to keep this stock. Now, let me just quickly clear this up all here. Okay, so before we go ahead and create the new buying in this stock, let the stock create some kind of a base here. That would mean that this is very clearly holding the 1500 level, and the buyers are showing their interest around these areas. And once we have a proper kind of base, then we will go and buy the stock. Now, the first level of target that we have set for this stock is somewhere around 2650 to 200. 700 for each level. So this would be the area where we will keep the first level of target here. The most important point to keep in mind is that at the time of buying the stock, if this 20 MA is below the prices, let's say prices starts to move back up and the 20 MA is below the prices, and we will also have a kind of good volume around these levels, then it would be a plus, it would support the buying. Now, if you can see, let me just quickly clear this up. If you can see, the time when the stock was falling, these are the very wide ranges bar here, but look at the volume around these areas. The volume is comparatively not that high when it came here, when people have, or the buyers have started accumulating this stock around 1000 to 200 level, and which is where we have the highest amount of volume. So that shows that still people have kind of trust in this company, in this group, and they want to take all the opportunity they get to buy the stock around the lower levels. Let me just quickly move to the weekly time frame here. Now, if you can see the weekly time frame, we do not have any kind of a strong resistance to the upside. We have a very clear sky. So let's say if stock starts to move back up, there is nothing. Just keep in mind the first level of target that I have given. That is based on the immediate resistance that we have overhead. Otherwise, this doesn't look like a very strong resistance. And so once the prices will start to move back up, we will have a very clear void, and we should take the opportunity of this downfall that forced upon on the buyers, and it doesn't have anything else apart from the news that broke out on the business channels and the newspapers recently. Okay, so as I mentioned on the last words, let me just tell you that let the stock quickly create some kind of base around these levels. Do not jump on this stock quickly. Let it show some more signs of the buying and the interest of the buyers in this stock. If that comes in, then probably I would see a very nice opportunity in this stock to move to the upside. So that's it in today's analysis. Hope you have liked it. If you have any questions around this analysis, do ask it in the comment box below, and hope to catch you soon in the next analysis. Bye-bye.